good code. And here just I'm creating one new structure of the HTML and one title and one h2 tag and one paragraph tag. Simple. And again I want paragraph. Okay, here. Okay, let's save this page and open the browser. There's a file here, right? What is the class today for, right? Okay, here is the output. Okay, what is the padding here? Okay, what is the padding? Okay, I'm going to discuss what is the padding here. Yeah, just I want to create one new h2 tag and remaining three paragraph tags only. Okay, here I gonna discuss the main concept is box model. Okay, in that box model, we're gonna discuss first one is the content. Okay, first one is the content. What is the content here? Whatever you want to write here, that is called content. Okay, whatever you want me to write in that, like h2 tag, paragraph tags, like that. So in the tags, all the content also has content. Okay, these are the content. Okay, the next one padding. Okay, what is the padding? Okay, what is the padding and where it is a padding? Okay, just before the content, just before the content. Let's see the image. You can see here. Don't be confused here. Okay, one is the top. Whatever you want to see here, entire the blue color. Okay, it is a website. It is a one of the page. Okay, in that page we are discussing one is the top. Okay, and we need to define that one is the right and bottom and left. These are the concept. Okay, in that page. Okay, in that page there is a content. Okay, whatever you want to write here and that, but you in that entire the, here is the left, top and bottom and right. Okay, simple. Okay, here is content, right? So in that content, height and width. Okay, and beside of the content there is a padding. Okay, in that padding we need to declare that padding top, padding right, padding bottom and padding left. That's it. And before the padding it will be border is there. Okay, border top, border right, border bottom and border left. Okay, and in that beside of the border there is a margin is there. Okay, margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left. Simple. Okay, that is the concept. Here as you can see, margin top, border top, padding top, content, padding bottom, padding bottom. Okay, simple. I will explain over that one. Okay, just understand, just open. Okay, here I want to declare the padding. Okay, okay. For example, I want to declare the, first of all I'm using here the padding. Okay, here just I want to declare the style. Just styling purpose, just I'm giving the styles. Okay, I'm not giving the background color. Okay, just I want to give the color only. Okay, and here the paragraph tag. Okay, just I want to use text as center. Okay, okay, here I want paragraph tag, right? Okay, just I want to use the blue highlight. Okay, let's save. Open the browser, refresh. Okay, that is I want executed here, right? Okay, here this is the all our content. Okay, okay, we are discussing the. Okay, here I want here just I'm giving the here is padding. Okay, just I'm giving it padding. Let's see how it executes. Okay, first you need to declare that either padding, either paragraph or h2. Okay, just I'm giving here is padding is paragraph. Okay, so I declare that, right? So in that just I'm declaring padding. First of all, left I want take. Okay, left just I want take 200 pixels. Okay, let's save. Open the browser, refresh. Okay, nothing here, nothing here. Just I want take one extra tag. Color is red and text line center. Okay, next one the paragraph tag. Color is blue violet. Okay, just I want to add one of the padding is left. Okay, simple. Control S. Okay, open the browser and refresh. Refresh. What is the output here? What the output here? It will be padding, right? Where is the content? Here is the content. Okay, here is the content. Beside of the padding is there. So just have one refresh. You can see they come in like some distance. It is nothing here, nothing. Empty here. Okay. I want to in top also. Okay. Okay. I want right also. Let's see. Let's see. I want right. Okay. Padding right. Okay. Padding right is same distance. Okay. Let's see pixels. Okay. Let's save. Open the browser and refresh. What is the output here? In that right also, it will be come in like some distance. Refresh. We can see here is the same distance, right? Okay. And I want the distance of here also. Okay. Just I want to give here also. Okay. What is that? Padding top, right? Okay. Padding top. Just I want to give padding top is 50 pixels. Okay. Just have 50 only. Okay. Let's save. Open the browser and refresh. Refresh. You can see padding tab. Just I'm giving top, right? So that's why it's showing like entire thing. Here is 50 pixels. Here is 50 pixels. Okay, entirety viewer. Okay. Okay, you can see here is bottom. Just I'm scrolling, but there is no nothing here. I'm scrolling here, but there is no. So just I want to give here is padding bottom also. Okay. Padding bottom. Okay, how much? Just I want given like 60 pixels. Let's save. Open the browser and refresh. You can see here is the 60 pixels. Okay. Okay, but looking purpose, just I'm remove this entire two things. Okay, just understand just I'm writing. Let's save. Okay, and refresh. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, this is the padding. Okay, this is the padding. Okay, I want to use the next one is border, right? Okay. Okay, in that we can use. Okay, in that we can use simply we need to use. Okay, simply you need to use 200. So just I want to remove entire thing. We'll save, refresh. Okay, nothing here. Okay, simply we can write here. Simple, 200 pixels. Okay, and next 200 pixels. Let's save. Okay, open the browser, refresh. Okay, what will be understand? You can see what will be understand. Okay, here is it will be understand that this is a padding. Okay, first one is left. Okay, first one is left or right. Okay, first one is left or right, and second one is top and bottom. Okay, okay. Here whatever I want to discuss here, it will be executed like this. Okay, okay, and same. Just understand the purpose of writing here. Just I want to padding. Okay, here I have write 200 pixels. Okay, what will be understand entire thing? Here is four you need to understand. Okay, here you can see when I give in the padding top. Okay, when I give in the padding 200 pixels, it will be working on left, right, top and bottom. Okay, let's see the output. Let's save, open the browser and refresh. Okay, nothing will change, right? What do you understand? Padding is 200, top is 200, bottom is 200, and here also one by one. Here you can see. Okay, one paragraph to here is 200. Okay, 200. Okay, and here also 200, both 400. Okay, here is 200 and here also 200. Okay, bottom will be 200 is there and top will be 200 is there, so that's why it is a 400 distance. Okay, I think you can understand that. Okay, just I want to comment in this also. Don't give 3. Okay, you can give 2 and you can give 4 also. Let's see. Padding, just I'm giving here is 100 pixels. Let's see, refresh. Okay, here is the 100 pixels. Right is 100 pixels and top is 100 pixels and the left is right is 100 pixels. Okay, and bottom is 100 pixels, and here also 100 pixels is there. Why? So here also top is there, right? So here is in that paragraph there is a bottom 100 pixels. Okay, in that paragraph there is a top 100 pixels, so that's why 100 and 100. Okay, it will be understanding on like entire 100 pixels is right, left, top and bottom. Okay, okay, here I'm writing. Okay, 200 pixels. What is that? Top and bottom, right? Top, just I'm giving a small thing, right? So just I'm giving little bit. Okay, just I'm giving, it is right. Okay, right, just I want to give 200 pixels. Okay, and here I'm writing what is the next, bottom, right? Bottom I didn't give. Okay, like 10 pixels just I'm giving, simple. Okay, what you understand here? Let's save, refresh. Okay, padding 100 pixels is 100. Okay, and let's see, how can I understand this? Simple. It will be understand. Okay, simple. Okay, next concept is border. Okay, I will share this one. Okay, it will be understand like this. The next one is border, right? Okay, it will be working one thing here. Padding left 200 pixels. Padding right is 200 pixels. Okay, let's say if it is 200 pixels, it is 200 pixels. Okay, okay. The next one, border. Okay, what is the concept? Next one, border, right? You can see his content is over. Okay, content is here over. Next one is padding is over. Okay, just you need to give the distance. Okay, next one is border. Okay, just I want to give his border. Okay, border is 5 pixels. Let's see, save, refresh. Not give like this. Okay, border left. Okay, let's see. Let's see the output. Recording. Oh, wait a second. I think borders various used. Yeah. What are the border styles? Border style. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Well, border radius. Not border radius. We are discussing the concept is borders only. Okay, wait. Border. Just I'm giving. Okay, border is there, but there is no color here. Okay, so that's why I'm giving here is a color. Okay, color green. Okay, border is there, but there is no exuding a color. Okay, let's see. Save. Open the browser. Refresh. It will be there, right? Okay. So border is there. Just I'm remove this one. Border is there, but there is no color. So that I forgot it. Okay. Simple. Simple. Okay. Okay. Just I'm giving here is simple. Is 10 pixels. Okay. Solid green color. Let's save. Refresh. This is the output you want. Okay. Here also same, just need to give the left also left it will be there, right also right will be there, top also top will be there. Okay, just you need to declare here is top, sorry left. Let's save. Okay, let's say open the browser, refresh. Okay, it will be working on only, it will be working on only left only. Okay, and just I'm giving here top. Let's save, refresh. Okay, it will be working on top only. Okay, and the next one, right, save, refresh. Okay, there is a right, and bottom also, just need to give bottom, save, refresh. Okay, that is the purpose you need to use. Okay, here also just you need to use only light here also, in that h1 tag also, border, like 2 pixels, solid, orange, save, refresh. Okay, here also results. Okay, simple. And here you can see, observe the border also it will be over. Okay, what is the margin here? What is the margin here? Don't be confused, here is a margin padding. What you will be used, it is totally different, and it will be clarity I will discuss. Okay, don't be confused on that. Okay, what is the padding, what is the margin? Okay, here also just I am remove this, just I am remove this in border. Okay, just I am remove this border. Here also just I am remove this. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, it is difficult to you need to understand this. Okay, margin, just I am giving is margin is one. Okay, nothing here, right? Just I'm giving save. Okay, here also just I'm commenting this one, question mark. Let's see, save, open the browser, refresh. Okay, there's nothing else in that paragraph tags. Okay, okay, just I'm giving here is margin, margin left 200 pixels. Okay, 200 pixels. Let's save, refresh. What is the difference of the padding and margin here? Can you please let me know, anyone? I am giving is padding 200 pixels, it will be same. Okay, I am giving the 200 pixels, 200 pixels in margin. Margin is 200 pixels same, and padding also 200 pixels same. What is the difference on that? You can see here, or just I'm giving here, not padding, just I'm giving is margin, margin right. Okay, 200 pixels. Let's say refresh. Okay, you can see here almost the whatever you need to discuss on the padding, the margin also same here. What is the difference here? Okay, okay, just I want to give here is padding also. Okay, let's see any difference in that, question mark. Okay, here I am giving is padding left is 200 pixels, and padding right is 200 pixels. Here also margin same. Okay, let's save, open a browser, refresh. There is some changes here. Okay, so simple. Okay, before that declaring this one, let's save and remove this margin, save, refresh. You can see whatever border is there. I'm giving his border entire. Save, refresh. Okay, entire is there, right? So I'm giving the color, so that's why you need to understand this one. We didn't give the color, you didn't understand that. Okay, what is the here margin? Here you can see margin before the border. What? Okay, whatever you want to give, the beside the border is there. Okay, just I need to give, here is margin. Okay, margin left I want to give. Okay, margin left I want to give. Okay, just I'm giving his like 150 pixels. Okay, save, open the browser. Okay, what is the output here? Whatever border is there. Okay, whatever border is there, in that just beside of 50 pixels only. Refresh. You can see just beside of 50 pixels. Okay, just beside of 50 pixels. Okay, here also same. I'm giving his 100 pixels. Save, refresh. You can see I am removing the color. Okay, I am removing this color. Let's see. Okay, I'm giving the top and left also. Okay, here what is the right? Okay, what is the 100 pixels is top, 100 pixels is left. I'm giving the top and bottom. Okay, top, what is the top here? Just I want to give 50 pixels is top, 50 pixels is bottom. Okay, let's say open the browser, refresh. Here you can see. So we will use the bottom left, inside bottom left, top and bottom. Border left and bottom. Yeah, we can use. Already told you, right? We can use border left also. Let's see. No, sir. I want to say you will use margin left and give 100 pixel to margin left side, but you will use margin top and bottom with margin left. This is. You're asking just need to give margin. Okay, we are asking margin, right? You are talking about the border or you are asking margin? Can you tell me one thing? You're talking about the margin or border? Okay, okay, wait. Well, I want to say we will use in margin left, we will use top and bottom inside the margin left. Okay, no, 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 no. Inside the margin left, we can't be used like this. Okay, we need to use only one thing only, either 100 pixels or 20 pixels like that only. Yes. Just I'm explaining. Okay, don't worry about that. Let's save. Open the browser and refresh. What's the output here? Okay, here is the margin left is 100 pixels. Okay, just I'm giving here right also margin right. Okay, what is the output here? Okay, 100 pixels. Save. Open the browser. Refresh. Okay, here is considering the border. Okay, here is considering the border. You can see it. How can you see it? There is a color is there. So here is color is there. So that's why it's showing you. But I am removing the color. It will be looking like a padding only. Okay. Okay, it will look like a padding only. Just I'm doing this color. Just let's see. Control question mark. Let's save. Open the browser. You can see just I'm giving the border only. Remove the border only. Let's save. Refresh. You can see. Okay, here also you can understand that. Okay, in that content. Okay, in that content there is a border. Okay, that there is a border color is there. Okay, sorry, in that content there is a padding. Okay, here is 100 pixels padding. Okay, here also 100 pixels padding. Okay, top identity. Okay, here is, you will understand there is a color, right? Wait a minute, wait a minute. రెండు కూడా అంటే ఇప్పుడు వెళ్తాలేనా క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడు అయిపోతుంది చెప్పారా నాకు చెప్పలేదన్నా ఇవాళ క్లాస్ చెప్తే చదివిస్తాను పెట్టే ముట్లో పెట్టాను మీకు చెప్పాలి వస్తాడు నేను ఆడే ఉంటారా ఓకే వచ్చేస్తాను లగేజ్ నాకు తెలుసు నాకు ఇచ్చారా నాకు ఇవ్వలేదు మీరు రూమ్మేట్ 20209 ఏం కాదమ్మా తీసా లగేజ్ ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేసుకున్నాను వచ్చాను లగేజ్ మరి ఎట్లా మరి తీసుకెళ్దామా తీసుకెళ్ళాలి ఇప్పుడు వెళ్దాం మనము వెళ్దామంటే వెళ్దాం ఓకే ఒక 5 మినిట్స్ 5 మినిట్స్ ఓకే క్లాస్ సెషన్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను అందుకు మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను అదే మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు కాదు రేపు కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడైతే క్లాస్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను ఒక 5 మినిట్స్ అన్న అంటున్నా ఫినిషింగ్లో ఉంది అందుకు సరే నేను పోతాను లగేజ్ ఎట్లా తీసుకెళ్తారు ఏ లగేజ్ ఇప్పుడు లగేజ్ ఎడబెట్టాలి అట్లా ముందు ఉత్తమని వెళ్దాం అంటావు అంతేనా సరే 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 ఓకే ఓకే అన్న నేను కూడా వస్తానులే కానీ మీరు ఎలాంటి వస్తానా నాకు తెలియదు అన్న నేను చూడలేదు yeah guys okay here is you will be understand that you can see there is a content is there and beside of the content there is a padding something okay and beside of the border okay beside of the border you can see on the margin okay just I'm removing the color you will be you don't understand you can see just I'm doing the background color let's save refresh refresh the page you can see here is where is the padding and where is the margin you didn't understand that there is a color that's why you can understand but there is no color you can't be understand that okay so that is the reason okay so okay so that's why don't be confused when you're using the body padding and the margin okay you need to give the some color let's save it will be understand okay it will be understand here is the margin and here is the padding you can understand you can see one more here here is the margin and here is the padding okay when I remove this save refresh okay here you can see here is a padding okay here is the margin 100 pixels and padding is a 200 pixels okay you can understand that okay there's no color you can it's difficult to understand okay let's save refresh refresh you can see 100 pixels is there 100 pixels is sorry 100 is margin and remaining 200 is padding okay just remove the color save refresh you can see here is there okay here is there one is the 100 pixels is the margin remaining is padding okay just I want to here is just I want to give border question mark let's save open the browser and refresh you can see I'm giving entire save open the browser refresh so can understand this here is the padding and here is the margin okay don't be confused what is the margin and what is the padding okay when you're using in your class when you're using in practice okay you can difficulty you can face the margin what is the where is the padding and where is the margin you difficulty you cannot understood so that's why I'm telling again and again here okay so that's the concept the entire thing okay here you need to give okay here you need to give space 100 pixels let's say open the browser refresh okay entire the whatever border is there the border will be instead of the there is a 100 pixels is there okay Just I'm giving here student pixels. Student pixels. Okay, this is 150 pixels. What do you understand? Here is the border right is 100 pixels, border top is 150 pixels. Okay, border left is 200 pixels, and border bottom is 300 pixels. Just I'm writing here. Let's save. Okay, will be understand. Okay, 100 pixels left. Okay, margin left, and 150 pixels is margin right. Okay, 200 pixels margin top, and 300 pixels bottom. Okay, so these are the concept, the margin. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna explain one of the project on that in this CSS and HTML. Let's see the okay. There is a one registration form. We are giving the background colors, and the font size is too good. So when I clicking the registration form, it will be go to the next form, next pages, like thanks for registration. There is a another page is there. Okay, okay, okay. This is a concept. Okay, in that. Okay, let's see. Simple concept. This is a padding. Okay, I think you can understand. Okay, why I'm explaining in little bit. Just I'm taking only one h2 tag on one paragraph tag. It will understand purpose. Okay, that's you can more you'll be understand. Okay, when I remove this, you need to give here a body. You need to give this. It will be working on the entire body. Okay, let's save. Open the browser, refresh. Okay, it will be working on entire the body. Okay, the purpose and give. Okay, just I'm giving his paragraph. Okay, in that padding sorry, in that box model. Okay, here is box model, right? So in that box model, if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me. Okay, let's save, refresh. Okay, okay, just I'm giving. Why it's showing. Let's save. Okay, okay, I'm giving his 100 pixels, right? So that's it showing like this. Okay, just I'm remove this one, comment line, save. Okay, open, refresh. Simple. Okay, this is a concept in box model. Okay, in that if you have any dots queries, you can ask me. I will explain. So almost okay, here we are not discussing the concept. Here is okay. Here is advanced selector is there. Okay, one is the start selector, design selector, addition selector, and attribute selector, and the type of selector. Okay, these are the selectors is there, but it is very complicated. Okay, uh, still there is a time on that. Almost we are almost discussing about 10 days, right? So we are planning to only 1 month. So HTML CSS is 10 days. It is I think it's not good. Okay, okay, still there is a time we will discuss in this concept also. Don't worry, but you need to learn. Okay, but you need to compulsory you need to learn. Why? Because means the interviewer asking the complicated questions. So in that only. Okay, okay, yeah. Please, everyone. I think the clear about the concept entire. I will explain clearly. Okay, that's why not there is no doubts. So Vinay got asking the outside and inside the borders. I didn't understand the question. Outside, inside the borders. One is the padding is sir. One is the content is there. Okay. One is the content is there. Okay. Wait. I have one plan on that. What you're asking. Okay. In that, just I'm giving. Okay. Inside padding. Just inside. What you're asking the inside border. Okay. Just I want to declare the here is B bolt or span. Okay. Just I want to give span. Okay, here is span. Okay, just I want to putting on some content. Okay, just I want to putting on some content. Let's save. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. I'm explaining out there. Okay, nothing here. Span is nothing. Okay, in that just I want to declare here style. Okay, style means it is the style is there and inline faces. Okay, okay. Just I want to give his border. Okay, like 2 pixels. Let's save. Open the browser. Refresh. Not working right. Let's see. Okay, working, but there's no color. Okay, just I'm giving is solid yellow, like yellow. Just I'm giving yellow. Okay, orange, red, blue, violet. Let's save, refresh. Okay, you can see already is the right color. Just I want to give a yellow, refresh. Okay, so function purpose just I'm giving here is 5 pixels. Red color just I want. Okay, here is output. Okay, inside the borders and outside the borders. Okay, white executing like double line. Okay, there is no here you need to use line height. Okay, just I want to give his line height. Okay, line height like 2.0. That will you can understand. Okay, simple you need to understand like this. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Okay, you can see the next class on tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow there is no session. Okay, the Saturday Sunday is there is no sessions. Okay, the next session is going on Monday morning sharp 7 a.m. Okay, we will discuss same on the time. Okay. Okay, regarding any queries on that, you can ask me. I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, you can ask me directly and group chat also. I will discuss on the concept on that. Okay, you do not clarify on the doubts. Will directly you can explain lively, like sharing the desk or sharing the screen, like that. Okay, if you have any difficulty to face the problems directly in that class. Okay, after completion of 8, you need to share your screen. I will explain clearly. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, who are asking that out? No, no, no. I didn't see. I didn't listen. Please repeat again. No. Okay. The session is over. Okay. Uh, Your voice is not clear. Okay. Okay, guys. We will discuss on the concept. Next concept is Monday. Okay. Okay. See you guys soon. The Vinay, don't worry. It is only for the text purpose. Okay. We will discuss on Monday. Just need to give styles only, text only, like sizes. Simple. Thank you guys. Thanks for the session. Okay. Bye. Stay safe and stay home. Bye, guys.